Okay, good morning everybody. Okay, today we are going to a new topic which you can refer to your textbook page 85. So we are now in unit 9 on holiday. Okay, alright, so now let's go to the next slide. Okay, alright, so before we sing this song, let me just read the lyrics of it. Okay, the holiday. There we were, we were on the island again, on holiday. We packed our bags and jumped on a plane. In just 2 hours, we were there again. We walked on the beach and played in the sun. We sailed a boat. It was a lot of fun. Okay, but before that, if you look in your textbook, page 85, the top part of it, there's an island, the sea, the sun, the boat, a girl packing her bag, and there are 4 pictures, A, B, C, and D around the lyrics. Okay, so if you would like to hear to the song, you can just go to this link or click. I'll give this link later. Okay, so now let's us answer this question. Okay, question number 1. Where did they go? Where did they go? You can find this answer in the first stanza. There we were, we were on the island again on holiday. So where did they go? Number 2, when did they go? Number 3, what was the first thing they do? Before they go to holiday, what was the first thing they do? Question number 4, how did they get there? So this question is asking you about the transportation. How do they get there? And number 5, how long did it take to reach the destination? So could it be 1 hour, 2 hour, or 3 hour? You can refer to the second stanza. And question number 6, what did they do first when they reached there? Okay, what did they do first? And the last question, what was the last activity that they do? Okay, before they leave, what was the last activity that they do? Okay, after that, now let's see how much you could remember. So this is a quiz link that I'll provide to you, and you just have to click on this link and you just have to answer it. You don't have to print out any worksheet, and once you answer it, you can submit it to me. Okay, that's all from me. I hope you understand, and I hope you can listen to the song on YouTube link. Thank you very much and have a good day.